Hi, it's Bill up here in Northern California. Today we're looking at an estate Whirlpool design dryer. It was given to me. They said it made some really loud, excruciating noises. And so I pulled the dryer apart here and I took a look at everything, and that looks good. These rollers look good. Actually, this one here is got a little bit of out of round to it. How that happened? Anyway, it's not rattly though. And that one's good. So if we try and spin the motor, we have stuff that got put down the winch chute and is in back impeding the blower. So there's two things that we can do. We can either turn the machine upside down and hope this will fly back out to the place where it came from, or we can take the back off and then take the blower housing out of it, off of it, and then clean it out.